Most people waste hundreds on home gym equipment that does nothing for weight loss. Let me show you the setup that actually burns fat, even if you're on a budget. Whether you have a small apartment or a garage space, this setup will help you burn more calories, stick to your routine, and lose weight faster without buying a giant treadmill. First, forget machines. The core of a weight loss home gym is a high-quality mat. Why? Because 80% of the most effective fat-burning exercises you can do at home, HIIT, mobility flows, core work, plyos, happen right on the floor. $10 can change your entire routine. No excuses. These burn calories and build muscle, which keeps your metabolism high all day. And they fit in a drawer. Don't get one pair. Get adjustables. They replace an entire rack and let you increase intensity every week, the key to weight loss long-term. This is the highest calorie burning tool per dollar on earth. 10 minutes can torch more fat than a 30-minute slow run. And all of this fits into one corner of your room. Because consistent intervals melt fat. Don't eyeball it. Form matters more than weight. Seeing yourself equals faster progress. You don't need a home gym, just a home square. The best home gym isn't built with equipment, it's built with visibility. If your equipment is hidden, you won't use it. Put your mat out. Keep the bands in sight. Hang the jump rope. Make your space invite movement. There it is, the best home gym setup for weight loss. No wasted money, no giant machines you'll regret. Just smart tools that actually burn fat. If you want me to build you a $50, $100, or $300 home gym setup, comment your budget below. And if you want real weight loss tips that actually work, not trends, like and subscribe to FlipFit Yourself. More daily fat-burning videos coming. Let's build your best body from home.